Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things food-related. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with the best Indian food frozen meals available in the market. The pizza kit from My Cooking Box. This all-inclusive kit includes everything you need to make two delicious pizzas right at home. The My Cooking Box pizza kit is a unique cooking experience that brings the flavors of Italy right to your kitchen. The box includes high-quality ingredients carefully selected among Italian excellencies, such as type 00 flour, tomato pulp, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, and sea salt. With a total of 32.9 ounces of ingredients, you can create two flavorful pizzas with ease. The kit comes with a super easy step-by-step recipe that guides you through the pizza making process. From preparing the dough with the type 00 flour to topping it with a flavorful tomato pulp and drizzling it with extra virgin olive oil. Every detail is covered in the recipe. You'll feel like a real Italian chef as you create your pizzas from scratch. The quality of the ingredients in the My Cooking Box pizza kit shines through in every bite. The tomato pulp provides a rich and authentic tomato flavor, while the extra virgin olive oil adds a touch of Mediterranean goodness. The oregano and sea salt bring the perfect balance of flavors to your pizza, making it a true Italian delight. While we don't typically rely on customer reviews, it's worth mentioning that customers have raved about the My Cooking Box pizza kit. From the surprisingly delicious dough to the fun activity of making your pizza, this kit has received high praise for its taste, quality, and overall experience. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your pizza game with the best Indian food frozen meals available in the market, look no further than the My Cooking Box pizza kit. With high-quality ingredients, easy-to-follow instructions, and a fun cooking experience, this kit is a must-try for any pizza lover. Get your hands on the pizza kit today and bring a taste of Italy to your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.